Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to make what I'm calling the cleaning tower, and I'll tell you why. So this weekend is the Shine Along where we're going to build a column for our keg steel build that we're doing on the live stream. And I've got this piece of copper that I'm going to use. It's a 2-inch copper. It's about 24 inches long and it's filthy and I need to clean it. Here's the problem. You've got to submerge it in a cleaner, whether you're using back set, whether you're using the 551 like I mixed up and I just did a video on, or whether you're using the just citric acid and water. You've got to submerge this piece. Well, my problem is the only tub I've got that will hold this piece is about 4 feet long. It's about 18 inches wide, and then you got to fill it up at least, enough to completely submerge this. Well, that's going to be several gallons, 10 gallons maybe, to put that much water in that tub that is so big just to clean this. Same with my condenser, same with my other column. So I came up with a solution, and it's super simple. And I'm going to turn this PVC pipe into a cleaning tower that is not even permanent. So let's get at it. At this point in time, this is my longest piece of equipment. Right? So I want to be able to at least clean this in the tower. So I have to make sure it's at least this big. This was a scrap piece of PVC that I have, and it's just big enough. So I don't even have to cut this. So that's perfect. But if you did, you don't even have to use a tape measure. Just kind of hold it and put your finger there. Cut it with a circular saw, jigsaw, hacksaw, miter saw, whatever, chainsaw, whatever you've got that'll cut it. Then I went to Lowe's and I picked up these 3-inch Fernco caps. Or Fernco is a brand name. I don't know what these are actually called. Little rubber cap with a hose clamp on it. I'm going to put one on one end, tighten it up. And honestly, once you've done this, you could be done. You don't have to have a cap on the top. I'm going to put one on the top just so, if I need to lay it down, I can lay it down, or if it falls over, it doesn't spill everywhere. I guess I need to loosen this up. This is a 5/16 hex head. Need to loosen it up a little more. Tighten that up. You could be done right now. Put my 24-inch cap in there. Drop it down. I'm going to tighten, make sure that's tight just a little more. I don't want it leaking. And now I've got my 551 cleaner that I just made. And I made enough. There's a formula to figure out the volume of a cylinder, and it's really simple. The volume of a cylinder is the radius times pi times the height, and then that gives you, like if you're using inches, that gives you the cubic inches, and then you translate the cubic inches into gallons. So to cover that 24-inch pipe, I need 0.8 gallons, which this should be 0.8 gallons easily. And that completely submerged it with a little extra. I'm gonna put this cap on, leave it for a few hours, and then come back and check it. I don't know if I'm gonna polish it or not, maybe. There we go. Now I can just set that in the corner, and I only used 1 gallon of the solution. So quite a bit cheaper than if I had to fill a whole tub up just to submerge this 2-inch pipe. Nice and handy. It ain't leaking. Lean it in the corner. Oh, hey, forgot to mention, these Fernco caps are only $3. Or, no, $4. They were 3 and some change, $4 after tax. The PVC caps that you actually glue on are $8. So, cheaper to do it this way. Plus, like I said, it's not even permanent. If I need to make it longer, make it shorter, it's easy. Don't have to buy any more parts to do that except find the PVC pipe that I need. Now I can just come back and check it later. Perfect. Talk to y'all later.